Hey guys, Misty on behalf of Better Bodies and Beyond. Guys, we're all about enhancing your quality of life. Remember, check that website out, www.betterbodiesandbeyond.com. See what we've got. We've always got new products in. Check us out. And guys, if you like this video, if you like this kind of content, please subscribe, share, and like. And, click the bell so every time I come on, you'll be able to get all of my new videos. And we're going to go ahead and get right into the video today. So today we're going to be talking about 5 ways to invest $1,000 or less and be able to get a nice return. Okay, money, I like talking about money. I like to be able to save money. I like invest in it, but I like to do it wisely. I just don't frivolously just, lose money or just having money going out the window or just in unnecessary, places. So we're going to go ahead and get started on our first one. Let's go ahead and get started. The first one, guys, get out of debt. So if you have $1,000 put back, if you have bills or if you have, someone that you owe, guys, try to get out of debt. It makes no sense to invest if you're still in debt. I don't believe in being in debt. There is many ways that you can be able to get out of debt. So that is always going to be number one, get out of debt. Okay, the second one, I've got a list of banks and credit unions. I prefer credit union over bank, but there's banks that are offering for your high yield or your savings, they're offering a very nice return. Returns, at 1.5, 3 point some percent. And if you've got $1,000 or less and you want to take that money and put it back into your savings or your high yield, guys, that money can, after a while with the interest rate, it'll add up. So they've got like Citibank. Citibank is offering 1.55%. They've got Prime Alliance Bank, which is offering 1.55%. UFB Direct is offering 1.61%. First Foundation Bank is offering 1.0%. Then they've got Alliant Credit Union. They're offering 1.0%, which is pretty good. Consumers Credit Union, they're offering 3.09%. That is really, really good. So, even if you don't have a bank or you don't have a credit union that you're affiliated with, I'm sure it's probably about $50 to $100 to get it started. And this money right here is compounded daily. So guys, and you might know some other banks or credit unions that that will, that can, that's got a better interest rate. So those are just a few that I'm familiar with, and I thought I would pass you that information on. Okay, and the third one is real estate. So you don't have to actually go through being a landlord and getting property and trying to work on your business, dealing with tenants and all of that. But you can be able to invest your money into, it's called an REIT, Real Estate Investment Trust. And so what you do, this right here, it'll take you like $500 will be your initial investment, and you'll deal with it's called Fundrise, but you guys can do your homework. Don't mark my word, but just do your homework behind me. So it's called Fundrise. So you'll use Fundrise. You'll use their starter portfolio, which will put your money into several different trusts and give you instant diversification. And they've got low fees. The average that you'll even pay is like 40 cents per year. So you're not losing, you're not losing any money. And plus, you don't have to worry about managing buildings, dealing with tenants or anything like that. You're able to invest into these real estates and be able to get a nice return. So if that's something that you're into, Fundrise would be your go-to place. Okay, so like I said, you can do the homework on that, and so you don't have to. I used to be a landlord, and sometimes it's not really easy. It's not easy. So just check that out, guys. And number 4 is peer-to-peer lending. So what peer-to-peer lending is, I don't have a listing, but they have several different lending companies. where you'll get a very, very nice return. The return starts out at 3.89 to 8.0% on your return, which is very, very nice. You will be the investor, and you'll be lending to different people, for whatever their need is. This is legit. You can do your homework, and they have many of lending companies that you can partner up with and be able to to get a nice return. And the last one is start a legit business. A legit hustle. Start a small business. Guys, I've got a few little things. This is what I started doing many years ago. You guys, you can order things, and order it for cheap, and you can turn around and you can sell it for for big price, for a big price. You can go to your Goodwills. Go there, buy that stuff for little than nothing, and turn around and you sell it and be able to get a very, very nice return. You can go, the Goodwill. They got many, thrift stores. They've got yard sales. Guys, you can turn around, you can sell that stuff and get a very nice return. And you can be able to sell it on, I wrote a few things down. You can be able to sell it on Marketplace, Etsy, Poshmark. You can do your own website. You can do OfferUp. And there's like so many different, group and sell places that you can be able to sell on, to be able to, there's eBay. You can be able to sell that stuff and get a nice return. And then the last thing, guys, whatever you choose to do, one might not work for you. One might, you might have something else that look, one of these 5 things that are a little bit more suitable, for you. So just choose wisely. And if you've got $1,000, hey, you've come this far. That means that, you're really, you're ready to invest into something. So just like I said, choose wisely, make the best decision that's going to work for you. So so that's it. That's all I have. But you might have some ideas, other money making ideas, or other investments that will that you've done or that you know of. Guys, would love to hear what you have to say. Please comment. Share. Let me hear what you have to say. And guys, if there's something that you want me to share, something that you want me to talk about, guys, I love to be able to talk about it. I love to be able to share it with you. Hey, just comment, in this, comment below. Just let me know. And that's gonna be it. And remember, guys, this right here, to stay healthy, stay well, stay alive. And always subscribe, share, and like. Thanks, guys. Bye.